Did you know just 10 minutes of meditation a day brings about a fantastic change in your brains? It improves and enhances the brain functions. Blood flow increases in the brains, which in turn leads to improved and better memory. The gray matter increases, resulting in more positive emotions being developed in you, which tend to be longer lasting, so keeps you happy for a longer period of time. Let's view today's video and see the benefits to our brains by performing just 10 minutes of meditation a day. If you are watching this channel first time, do subscribe and enable your notifications so that you will get a notification whenever this channel upload a new video. Welcome to HR Optimum, leading to success.
Here's what 10 minutes of meditation a day does to your brain. Have you ever considered meditation? This is a simple exercise that anyone can try, and that has been shown by a ton of evidence to have significant and profound health benefits. And guess what? In order to experience the benefits to their fullest, you don't need to spend hours a day sat in the lotus position. You can meditate for just 10 minutes a day, or even less, and still see some profound changes. Listen to the rest of this presentation, and I'll share some of those profound changes with you. And trust me, they're going to blow your mind. 1. Cortical thickness. First, meditation has been shown to increase cortical thickness in the key frontal regions of the brain. In plain English, that means your brain is actually growing and getting heavier as new brain cells are created and new connections are formed between them. As you might expect, this then correlates with improved performance, making us smarter, boosting our memory, and helping us to focus on complex tasks. IQ scores have even been shown to improve as a result of regular meditation. 2. White cells proliferate. When you think of your brain, you probably think of gray matter. Well, the brain is also made of white matter. This tissue has the very important job of protecting the gray matter and supporting it in a range of important processes. It can help to prevent deterioration and encourage signaling to occur more quickly and stronger. In short, you become more alert and switched on. 3. Aging slows down. One of the most serious health issues that come with aging is the effect that getting older has on the brain. We all know memory is impaired as we age, and we can become more forgetful and absent-minded. Risk of conditions like Alzheimer's also increases. But studies show that the growth of new tissue continues into old age, and that this can actually help to slow down some of that deterioration. In other words, meditation is like a fountain of youth for your brain. 4. Neurochemical balance improves. Finally, meditation can also cause changes in the production of various different neurochemicals. This reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol and increases the production of happiness hormones like serotonin. In this way, it can actually work like an antidepressant, which is why it should come as no surprise that studies show meditation can be as effective as antidepressants under the right circumstances.
Summing up today's video, we have discussed today about the importance of meditation, and these are: number 1, cortical thickness of the brains increases, causing the brain to grow bigger, so able to function better. Number 2, white cells increase, enabling the gray matter to perform better. Number 3, aging slows down. You start looking younger. You start feeling more energetic than your actual age. Better health and better mobility makes you happier. Till my next video, do try meditation for just 10 minutes a day to enjoy all its benefits. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay fit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel if not already subscribed. Also kindly do comment and share with others you know. Do remember to click the bell button to get our future notifications. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care and enjoy watching videos.